Mic check. Posledné video bolo v Nepále. No, bol to dlhý rok. Veľa transformácie, veľa zmeny, veľa cestovania a sme naspäť na Slovensku. Trošku meditovať na slnku. No pekne. Hello. So, after many months of not taking videos or uploading them, we are in Slovakia, Košice, and yeah, I'm back home. It's literally the place where I grew up. Like last time I was making videos from Pokhara in Nepal. Oh, this is in English, I don't know how to say it. It's a lake, jazero, which jazero literally means in Slovakia lake. Yeah, and a little bit beautiful November nature, peace, calm. Košice is very calm city. Slovakia in general is very calm, smaller city in Europe, and it's nice to be here, especially during the winter, even if it's hard. Even it is hard because there's not much going on. So if you really like being in introspective and diving inside during the winter, and Slovakia is a very good place to be in. Well, this is literally one of my favorite places here in Jazero. It is a river with a small cute bridge. I mean, most of the leaves are already gone by now because it's already like 11th November, which is 11th. Very good time to be alive and focusing on the dreams. And this. And imagine with all those leaves around during the autumn, it's even more gorgeous, peaceful. So, before I started taking video today, I was thinking, oh, I need to research what people want to see, what's the algorithm in YouTube, blah 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 blah. I usually do research on things to make sure they'll be successful, but then I realized, what's the point doing something if you're not authentic and if you're not doing it because you want to do it, right? Because, for example, you have an idea and you want to take a video of you peacefully walking in the nature, talking something, right? But then you'll be like, but there are so many videos like this. I should research what's trendy, what people will watch, so I can make money, blah blah. But then you completely kill the joy, actually the purpose of making this, right? Because I think the things have value and can really bring wealth when they're made genuinely and when you really fulfill your dream and whatever you want to do. So I think it's very important to really let go of the need to control, check the algorithm and how things work. I mean, to a certain point, right? Because of course you need to check how things are done and to be pragmatic and practical. Of course, it's one part of success in this physical world, but at the same time, just be yourself and do whatever you want to do, and just film video even if nobody will watch it. You will stay authentic and you will stay yourself. So wish you all a beautiful day, and I wish you all a beautiful life fulfilled with all the things you want to do. And yeah, facing the fear of judgment, criticizing, being criticized, right? Usually those are just thoughts, not the real thing. So it's good to just go for whatever things you want to do. Better sooner than later. So, peace. And so here, actually in the evening, it's one of the best views here. You see the trees forming this natural frame, beautiful when it's darker around. It's just really, really magical.